They say in India there is a place where hills never end, where clouds move like thoughts and tea grows above the sky. I didn't believe it until I reached Munnar. And the journey to get here was just as magical. We were about to reach मुन्नार और बारिश शुरू हो गई। वो हल्की हल्की सी बारिश और चारों तरफ हरियाली, जैसे पूरे पहाड़ पर किसी ने एक हरी चादर बिछा दी हो। With every turn on NH85, Munnar started revealing itself and it was breathtaking. In the southern state of Kerala, India, there lies a place where the hills roll endlessly. The air smells like tea leaves and clouds drift so close that you can almost touch them. जहाँ सुबह की हवा भी चाय की तरह लगती हो. This is Munnar, one of the highest hill station in South India. Known for its tea plantation, mist-covered mountains, and some of the most peaceful drive you'll ever take. This is the kind of place that quietly finds a place in your heart.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का मुन्नार शहर में स्वागत है। बाहर का तापमान 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस है और मौसम काफी सुहाना है।
But to truly feel Munnar, we have to leave the roads behind. ऑफ रोड लेकर हम निकले एक ऐसे जगह की तरफ जहां पहाड़ों की ऊंचाइयों में चाय के बाग बसाए गए हैं। कोलकोमुलई, द हाईएस्ट टी प्लांटेशन इन द वर्ल्ड। नो प्रॉपर रोड्स, नो टूरिस्ट अराउंड, सिर्फ एक पुरानी जीप और टूटे फूटे रास्ते। हर झटके के साथ हमारी एक्साइटमेंट और बढ़ती गई।
Jairas sir is taking us to Surenalli and this is off-road, entire off-road, right? How many kilometers?
So totally 12 kilometers.
12 kilometers.
So actually 7 kilometers off-road.
Speciality of Surenalli?
Kodukkumale viewpoint morning sunrise. Oh, on the way tea plantation area.
It's very beautiful. So from 23 years you are working here and daily 2 trips. Animals are also there?
Animals will bison.
Spice.
And somewhere between the bumps, the clouds and our laughter, हम पहुंच गए वहां जहां लगता है जैसे जमीन ने बादलों को छू लिया हो। After soaking in the height of Kulkumulai, we slowly started coming down. नीचे उतरते ही, the clouds began to clear, and in front of us was Surenalli, a small village quietly living in the lap of this massive hills. No rush, no noise, बस एक सीधा सा जीवन और लोग जो अपने चाय की दुनिया में खुश थे. We watched tea workers moving gently through the gardens, some laughing, some silent, but all of them deeply connected to this land. और तभी मुनार की एक अलग सी सादगी का भी पता चला। निकलते वक्त आई डेंट फील लाइक आई वॉज लीविंग, आई फेल्ट मोर लाइक आई वॉज कैरिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ इट विथ मी। गाड़ी चली और हम आगे बढ़े। A few minutes later, we were on NH85.
मुन्नार बारिश में कितना सुंदर होगा। फुल हैवी बारिश देखिए, मस्त लग रहा है। और ये ग्रीनरी जो टी प्लांटेशन वाली है ये और भी ज़्यादा ग्रीन दिखती है ना रेन में। NH85 में ड्राइव करने में भी क्या मज़ा आ रहा है। बहुत ही आई थिंक NH85 अभी तक का हमारा सबसे सिनिक रूट है।
Without any doubt.
That stretch, known as Gap Road, is one of the most peaceful drives we have ever taken. On one side, deep valley hidden in mist. On the other, endless tea gardens gently sloping into silence. This place was saying something, not loudly but gently. Every curve, every patch of mist felt like a reminder to slow down and just be. And maybe that's the real magic of this place. It doesn't ask for attention, it simply invites you to listen. And if there is one thing I have learned, it's that Munnar is not just a place to see, it's a place to feel. Here, the rain touches your skin like a welcome. The hill wrap around you like an old friend, and every turn reminds you how much beauty this world still holds. So if you ever find yourself around, come to Munnar. Let the clouds slow you down. Let the tea gardens guide your steps. And let this land quietly find its way into your heart.